Hi boys, 16th of October, 9:13 a.m. Central Daylight. Them two boys out there's got them Deus 2 with 9-inch calls. I'm going to be running an 11. The gentleman on the left out there says there's some deep Civil War bullets in this field they found in the past. Okay, we're going to see what happens. Stay tuned.
How we found that camp
boy, there's the first one I found with that bird dog program.
And we was finding all these fired bullets.
Not over 7 inches
you know, where
deep.
the barn is up there?
Smooth signal. 84, 87.
Where'd they fire these bullets
I hit it with a shovel.
Oh, yeah.
Alright boys, let me show you what I dug out here. When I went hunting this morning, we stayed till about 2:15, I believe it was, and it rained on us. Drizzled rain, misty rain, quite a while, the wind blowing. I didn't want to get my camera out in the rain, okay? It wasn't misty rain when we showed up. Now there was maneuvers on this site done in the early 40s, early mid 40s. That's what all these things are right here. See these? That's what these are from. That's not Civil War era. Okay, this is Civil War era. That is Civil War era. That shotgun head stamp. I don't know how old it is. 22 long rifle, pull tabs, square tab. Got this ring right here. Okay, got this little hypodermic bottle here. That sounded pretty good. And now, I dug this intentionally just because I wanted to see what it was, you know, and take a shot at an iron relic. The same goes for that one, okay? The same goes for that one. Alright? The foolers, okay? The targets that fooled me. That one. This was vertical inside the hole. That iron right there, and it was in the ground just like so. Substantial difference from where I dug the hole. Okay, now I got a couple other nails in here that were dug just for verification purposes, because I was running that bird dog program. Okay. This target right here had a very short chopped tone on it, boys. That round thing, that Deus 2 and spherical items. I've talked about this before. Chopped tone, clean but chopped, both sides. Didn't see any iron around it either. Okay, not ultra deep. Some of these right here were pretty deep, I dug. They read 73, depending all the way up to about 84. You know, 69 there read about 87. My buddy, he dug a 69. What's unusual about this Civil War side, he's been in there over quite a few years, on and off, hunting, metal detecting. They have only dug 69 caliber 3-ringers, if you can believe that. Never dug any of the smaller ones. Alright. So yeah, these here I dug because just the sound they were providing. These fooled me. I dug these here for verification. Now, I was running a 2 through 7 notch. Silencer 1, sensitive FT 5 tones. Now, what did I see on a lot of the iron in that sight? Running that machine like that. Run a reactivity at 1.5 in 1 with 11-inch coil. And I was seeing, now I did get one target, I didn't put it in my bag. One target hit a hard 1 4 ways. So I dug it. It's the only one I've seen do that. It was a piece of fence wire about 4 inches long. There was an old fence went through there. I could hear some of the iron, you know, going down what looked like a fence line going down the top of this little ridge in this field. So when I'm using this program set up like this, what I'm seeing or hearing, you'll get a high tone. Meter might pop to 85, 87, 83, okay? As the coal is moved, you'll get another high tone, and it'll flash a 1. Now remember, I had my first tone being in 5-tone, or first non-ferrous tone being set to 644. So it was reporting a slightly lower tone than what the false sound was reporting, pitch-wise, but I could hear that. So you would get 2 high tones versus just hearing the false and having the machine set up more traditional maybe, and just hearing the number 1 would be giving that grunt. Okay, well I actually like that, because I know if I hear a high tone and I hear another shorter one right quick, that's a good indication of iron. You know, you all can try it and see. I've seen this quite a bit out there, okay? I never did see a hard 1 and then turn on the target and get a more traditional non-ferrous ID in the window. Never. And I did turn on some targets, watching them, but I didn't see it, okay? Now this set's had a lot of action over the years hunting. 69 bullets, you know, they're, you know, a lot harder to hide and mask, okay? There was some iron in the sight. I don't think the sink rate in this field is that much, and it was dry out there, boys. That ground was tough to dig in, okay? Now, if you had to dug all 10 and 12 inch holes in that field for every find you found, you'd have been wore out pretty quick. I got tired as it was. Okay, so that's the deal. This sounded good, obviously. You know, that's non-ferrous there. But I don't think that's Civil War period. So you all can try it out and see what you think. I'm going to use it some more, okay? I hope you enjoyed.